If you've ever thought about becoming a mortgage broker, one of the first things that have probably come to mind is the cost. How much does it really take to get started in this industry? Well, let's break it down so you can make the informed decision to jump into this career. So first things first, we need to talk about qualifications. To become a mortgage broker in the UK, you're going to need to obtain a certificate in mortgage advice and practice. This is also known as CMAP, or an equivalent qualification such as CF1 and CF6. Now, depending on the training provider and the format you choose to go, the cost of a CMAP exam can range from £500 to £1,000, while a CF1 and CF6 route will typically cost you around £300 to £600. Some providers offer online courses, other providers offer in-person training, and that choice will impact the overall price that you're going to pay. Now, once you're qualified, you'll need to be regulated by the FCA, and that is the Financial Conduct Authority. There are two main routes for this. You can either join an appointed representative network, or you can go directly authorized. If you choose to join a network, you're typically going to be paying a monthly fee anywhere between £100 to £500 per month, with some commission splits involved as well, which are usually on a percentage base. But if you prefer to be fully independent and apply for direct authorization with the FCA, the application fee alone is around £2,500 to £3,000 plus annual fees. Next up, you're going to need professional indemnity insurance. This is a must-have no matter which route you take. This type of insurance protects you in case of professional errors or claims, and you can expect to pay somewhere around £500 to £1,500 per year, depending on the provider and the level of cover that you choose and need. Now, if you're planning to set up on your own as a self-employed mortgage broker, there are additional costs as well you'll need to factor in. So first, there's a company registration, which is going to cost you anywhere from about £12 to £100. Then you've got website development and hosting costs, which is going to be as little as £200 and could go even up to £2,000 plus, depending on how professional you want your website to be. Now, don't also forget your CRM software and compliance tools. These are essential for managing your clients and staying on top of regulation. They're going to set you back anywhere from around £50 to £150 per month, depending on the stuff you choose. And let's talk about marketing. This is where a lot of brokers either invest wisely or struggle to grow. Branding, social media, paid ads, these can cost anywhere from £500 to £5,000 per month, depending on how aggressively you want to promote yourself. Then, of course, you've got ongoing costs to think about. You've got continuing professional development, which is also known as CPD in the industry. This is likely going to cost you between £200 to £1,000 per year if you're going to travel and go to different places to get it done. Membership to industry bodies, such as the Association of Mortgage Intermediaries, can also be another cost you need to factor in. And if you're paying for lead generation, that's a whole other expense. And this is potentially going to cost you at least £500 a month, but it could be significantly higher if you want to buy leads. So let's sum this up. If you're going the employed route, meaning you work for a company, they're going to cover most of these costs for you. You're probably looking at an initial investment of around £1,500 to £3,000, but if you're going fully self-employed and directly authorized, you could be spending anywhere from £7,000 to £15,000 just to get started. Now, I know that might sound like a lot, but here's the good news. The earning potential in this industry is significant. Once you're established, mortgage brokers can easily earn around £50,000 per year and more, with many of them exceeding six figures after they've done a few years in the industry. So if you're serious about becoming a mortgage broker, it is crucial to plan your finances carefully. Work out which path suits your goals and make sure you're ready to invest, and not just financially, but also in terms of time and effort. If you want to know the pros and cons between being part-time or full-time as a mortgage broker, then check out this video on screen right now.